Hey, what's up everybody? So today, I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new smartwatch. So if you enjoy, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. The name, or model number of this smartwatch is W26 Plus. So, in the box we get a charging cable, the watch, and the guide manual. The interface of watch is very easy to use, and you can also change it in settings. The app for smartphone for this watch is called SmartWatch. You can download it from Play Store. You don't get too many watch faces with this app, and also you cannot add custom watch faces. Now let's talk about its features. Well, it has heart rate monitor, thermometer, BP checker and some other features. But all of them are fake. They don't really work, and the sensor on the back is fake too. So, the question is, would I recommend buying this watch? Well, it totally depends on you. If you guys want a real smartwatch, then I won't suggest buying this one. But if you just want to show off, then you can buy this cheap smartwatch. I mean, I can't afford a real smartwatch right now, and I always wanted to experience having a smartwatch. That's why I bought it, and I thought I should share this with you. So the price of this smartwatch is 1100 Indian rupees, or around $14 US. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment your opinion in comment section. And I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong.